Hey guys, welcome again to the Crypto Fellow channel, where we bring you educational content as regards the blockchain cryptocurrency industry. So over the past few weeks, we started a series on the Zeitgeist Protocol. We did an introductory video on it where we explained and looked at what the Zeitgeist Protocol is all about, and also we did a follow-up video on the novel governance model that the Zeitgeist Protocol is introducing to the blockchain industry, which is the Futaki governance model. We also looked at that extensively. In today's video, we're going to be looking at prediction market on Zeitgeist Protocol, and we'll head on to the site or the website of the Zeitgeist Protocol, the Zeitgeist app, to look at the website and also look at how to create a prediction market. So with that taken, let's head on into what we are looking at today. So prediction market, these are markets that trade various assets representing different potential future events or outcomes. Prediction markets are to collate and aggregate various diverse opinions of individuals across all strata. And prediction market can be compared to the polling system or polling, although just similar, but it has a higher prediction capability compared to polling. So it allows individuals participating to put in a stake. In polling, there's no stake at all. So there's no responsibility on the users that are voting, on the individuals that are voting. But in prediction market, there's a stake to your vote, so which can either profit or be lost depending on the outcome of the prediction. And examples of prediction market include the binary prediction market, the scalar prediction market, the categorical prediction market, and etc. So market creation on prediction market creation on Zeitgeist requires the ZTG token, the Zeitgeist native token, which is the tagged ZTG. So you're going to need that, and also you're going to need a Polkadot compatible wallet. You can make use of the Nova wallet, or you can also use the Talisman wallet or Polkadot.js or any Polkadot compatible wallet. So let's go to the Zeitgeist app and look at some few things. Alright, so we are on the Zeitgeist website now. This is the website. Take a look at it. This is the Zeitgeist website. So now you're going to click enter app, takes you to the market app of the Zeitgeist Protocol. So you have different featured markets available. We have with the US raised the debt limit by 1.5 trillion or more by June 2, 2023. Will Recep Tayyip Erdogan win the 2023 Turkish presidential election runoff with at least 5% margin? We have DOT/KSM market cap 2023. So these are the available markets currently, and there are different categories of prediction market that can be created. We have popular category, we have crypto, which currently has 6 prediction market open. We have politics, we have 5. We have .sama. Let's look at it. These are all the active market. So so these are all the ones available in the crypto section. So you can check out the politics section. Check out the politics section. See all the markets that are open. So these are all the markets that are open. 5 are currently open, with Vladimir Putin be the leader of Russia at the end of 2023. So you can check all of them out. And we have .sama, sports, news, technology, etc. So you also have some help materials, how to trade prediction market, how to earn liquidity, how to earn ZTG by providing liquidity in the liquidity pool. Then you can learn more about the Zeitgeist Protocol. So for you to create a prediction market, you come to create market, then you click on connect wallet, and once your wallet is connected, you come to the market name and put will Peter Obi win the Peter Obi win the court case. And you can add an image if you wish. You can add an image, so it goes into your gallery. Click on any image and build it. So you have that market name. First question: will Peter Obi win the court case involving the Nigerian presidential election of 2023? So put politics, click on the category politics, then you check the date, end date, click on it. When pick a date that is close to the day the court case will be finalized. Maybe the court case will be finalized on 6th October 2020. You can click on 4th October 2023 and set it. Time to 12 a.m. So outcomes, yes or no. Yes or no. Oracle, you can set the oracle as yourself. So you input your wallet address, then grace period 1 hour. and set this put duration 1 day, set oracle duration 1 day. So the account you built will be responsible for submitting the outcomes when the market ends. If the oracle fails to submit, you will lose some of your deposit. So you now come down to market description, and then you talk about the market. This market is about the Nigerian presidential election court case, ongoing court case between the various parties. So you said that, then you come down to you are now permissionless. You put liquidity on or off. Then once you finish that, this place will turn blue, and then the total cost is around 1,200 ZTG. View cost breakdown. Permissionless bond 1,000 ZTG, oracle bond 200 ZTG, and liquidity, so around 1,200 ZTG tokens required. So that is how to create a prediction market on the Zeitgeist protocol. So until another time, stay safe and stay learning, and keep checking on the Crypto Fellow channel. Bye.